Welcome to the Grand Front Osaka, one of the city's most modern shopping and dining complexes. It's a Friday afternoon, and as you can see, it's surprisingly quiet up here. Most people are still at work, and many of these restaurants are closed, preparing for the dinner rush. But even at this slow hour, there's a lot to notice. The restaurant floors here, the 7th and 8th, reveal a lot about how dining in Japan works and how it looks so different from what many tourists might expect. First impressions, it feels calm, clean, and almost ceremonial. There's no smell of cooking oil or noise spilling out onto the walkway. Each restaurant is self-contained, private, and carefully presented, even when it's closed. If you're enjoying this video so far, please like and subscribe and leave a comment, a nice one. You'll notice nobody's calling out or trying to pull you in. The design itself, the displays, the lighting, the atmosphere does the talking. And here's something that always fascinates tourists: the fake food. Almost every restaurant here has a glass case out front filled with plastic replicas of the dishes inside. To the eyes of a tourist, it can seem quite quirky or even kitschy. But in Japan, it's an art form. These models, called sampuru, are handmade from resin and meticulously painted to look exactly like the real dish. There's an emphasis on readiness and presentation, even when no customers are around. The Grand Front Osaka isn't just a place to eat. It's a showcase of how Japan can turn something as simple as lunch or dinner into an art of subtle communication. If you ever visit Japan, take a slow walk through these upper floors, even if you're not hungry, because in Japan, even an empty restaurant can teach you something about the culture. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. It really helps me out. See you in the next cartoon.